Can you spot the lie? Welcome to Fact or Fake. We've got 18 shocking statements about extreme survival. Let's begin. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest place on Earth, with almost no recorded rainfall. Fact: parts of the Atacama have virtually zero average rainfall. It's dry due to 2 rain shadows. Mount Everest's peak has only about 1/3 the oxygen concentration of sea level. Fact: this significantly reduced air pressure is known as the death zone. Air density drops drastically higher up. If you are trapped in quicksand, the best way to escape is by thrashing your limbs violently and quickly. Fake: violent movement makes you sink faster. You should move slowly and lean back. Quicksand is denser than humans, so you float if you relax. Humans can survive in the vacuum of space for about 90 seconds before losing consciousness. Fake: unprotected exposure causes immediate unconsciousness from lack of oxygen within 15 seconds. Bodily fluids boil quickly. The largest desert in the world is the Sahara in Africa. Fake: the Antarctic polar desert is the largest, covering 14 million square kilometers. It's a desert because it receives very little precipitation. Tardigrades, or water bears, can survive temperatures close to absolute zero. Fact: they enter cryptobiosis, withstanding temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius. They are also incredibly radiation resistant. A person can survive solely on snow and ice as a water source in a freezing environment without risk. Fake: eating frozen water lowers your core body temperature, increasing hypothermia risk. You must melt the water first. The Gobi Desert has the world's most extreme temperature fluctuations, from -40 degrees Celsius in winter to +50 degrees Celsius in summer. Fact: this massive swing is common in continental interiors far from oceans. Humidity regulates heat. Deep-sea creatures, like anglerfish, live in crushing pressures equivalent to having an elephant on a postage stamp. Fact: they have special bodies lacking air spaces to withstand extreme deep-sea pressure. The Challenger Deep is 11 kilometers deep. Polar bears can go for months without eating, relying solely on their massive fat reserves. Fact: they build up blubber, entering a state of walking hibernation. Their stomach can hold up to 20% of their body weight. The human body acclimatizes to heat by producing sweat that is less salty, preserving electrolytes. Fact: this process, heat acclimatization, improves cooling efficiency over several weeks. The body reabsorbs sodium better. Volcanic lightning occurs only during the final explosive phase of an eruption. Fake: it can occur during the entire eruption as ash and ice particles collide. It's similar to a regular thunderstorm. The longest continuous period a human has voluntarily survived without sleep is 11 days. Fact: Randy Gardner set this verified record in 1964. Sleep deprivation causes severe cognitive issues. A person can survive a fall from a plane without a parachute if they land in a dense, soft pile of snow. Fake: human terminal velocity is too high. Even deep snow cannot cushion the impact. Survival is extremely rare. Hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor reach 400 degrees Celsius, but don't boil due to immense pressure. Fact: high pressure increases the boiling point of water. These vents support unique ecosystems. The human body's tolerance to dehydration can be significantly increased by training and diet. Fake: while the body adapts slightly, severe dehydration is still very dangerous, regardless of fitness. Water is vital. In zero gravity, astronauts grow taller because their spines decompress and lengthen. Fact: they can gain up to 5 centimeters, but this change is temporary upon return to Earth. Spinal decompression can cause back pain. A safe habitat can be created on Mars by simply inflating a reinforced tent-like structure. Fake: Mars's thin atmosphere and high radiation require thick shielding and complex life support. Martian construction is challenging. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fact or fake challenges every day.